What's going on, man? It's your boy Treezy, man. I'm back again with another unboxing for you guys. Yeah, say it with me, unboxing. And today we have some special, man. We got this Apple Watch right here. I'm not able to talk because I'm in the library and had to do a voiceover, but you know what it is, man. So here are the expectations. I don't know, but I'm saying it's a Series 1 Apple Watch. Only at Walmart for $150 online, man. It's a nice deal, bro. Here's the back of the watch, show the price, and I'm finna get into the unboxing. Made in California. Made and designed in California. Apple makes nice products, and I feel that they really have the claim to fame with their, you know what I'm saying, products, man. Very important. But here we go with the box right here. Let's open this up. Yeah, got a nice little Apple Watch logo, and then you see your designs of how to put it on. Got your extra watch band right there. Very nice plethora, fake leather, but it's nice. I mean, in case you ever break your watch, you have an extra strap to use. Now, this watch is very customizable. You can apply different straps for your desire, whichever you like it. Here's a charging cable. It works like a magnetic pad that you put your watch on, and it charges nicely. Charge really fast though, recharge. And I'm missing my stuff. Okay. Let's see if we can bring it back. 1, 2. Bring it back. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. But yeah, man, that's the watch right there, man. As I can see. Oh. Oh my God. Sorry, because it's very durable. As you can see the back side, the front side, all around, man. It has a great display, 38mm. It requires password when you take it off your wrist. I'm putting the password now. As you guys can see, I mean, you can do text messages. You have all these apps you can use from your watch without going on your phone. Here's a control panel, man. Usually for all types of display, man. I'm gonna do it on my wrist. So here it is on my wrist. Very comfortable, very soft and smooth when I put it on. It basically feels as if it's not even there, man. It's very comfortable. At the picture display, you can swipe right for faces, and it changes with movement. So here's the control panel. You have notifications. It turns on everything, mutes everything, and all types of nighttime mode, ping mode, flashlight, air strike, and the battery percentage. And the green button means that your phone is connected. When it's red, that means your phone is not connected, so you can't use it for anything, for calls and like that. And you got the blue for location services. Yeah, man, just in the side button right here for like the home button. And you got the digital crown for moving around. And you put your sidebar and all the apps you use, and you basically just clear them by swiping them to the left, and it clears it. And then you got all apps, and it's like a little nice display, man. Very graphic design, man. It looks very nice, and it feels so premier. All these apps you got on here, and it's like very useful. And if you are having trouble, you can just use the crown and adjust it to where you can see it. Here's the phone right here, man. Making calls, you can just type in your number and then make a call for you instead of you have to taking your phone out when you're at work or doing somewhere where you're not supposed to have your phone. And that's all the phone is. And sort that out. Maybe you can go around, move around, and I mean, just to look at the screen, man. It's like you future, bro. And then you got Siri. Siri, you just hold on to the crown and push it, and it'll ask Siri pop up. Hi Siri. She's very respectful, and she responds properly. What's the weather like today, Siri? Oh, what's my favorite color? How old are you, Siri? And she be restless sometimes too, but that Siri on here, I find that very useful because whenever I just want to text somebody, I can just answer and tell her what to do, and she'll do it for me. But yeah, man, that's the watch. Got the band with the holes. I prefer this second hole because it's in my week on your wrist. Yeah, it's not that tight. That's the heart rate monitor. Also the charging port where you put your watch to charge. You can charge it, and you know what I'm saying. And then you have the front display, real smooth like charcoal. And then here's the on-tail detail look. Here's a watch in orange glory. Thank you guys for watching, man. Y'all be easy.